For years, a real medical test meant going to hospital, but that's quietly ending. Some of the most important tests are moving to your house, your pocket, and your wrist because the best care already exists. What's been missing is the way to get it to people where they are, and that's the part we engineer. At Beacon C, we build complete digital health products. The app, the connected devices, the data underneath, and the AI that makes sense of it all. Not just the pieces, the whole system. And we just don't talk about it, we have shipped it. So let me show you one. This is a digital health product that lets patient do a full sleep test from home. No hospitals, no overnight labs. It sounds simple when you say it out loud, right? But underneath, it comes down to three things: the data, the device, the AI, and the engineering that connects them all together into one product. Starting with the data, it holds patients' identity, their appointments, consent, and all their health data. In healthcare, it's called EHR, Electronic Health Record, and almost every hospital already runs one. So we don't build a new one. We integrate into the one which is already there, using the same standard it already speaks, like HL7 to FHIR. So the record stays the single source of truth. Next comes the device. Patient wears it overnight and it tracks signals like blood oxygen and heart rate while they sleep. This is where IoT and remote patient monitoring comes in. A connected medical device gathering clinical grade data at home. And the clever part is not the gadget, it's the layer we build around it. Every reading moves straight into patient's record on its own, encrypted and HIPAA compliant, with nothing entered manually. So for the patient, there's nothing else to manage, just a relaxed sleep while the data takes care of itself. Then the AI, the part everyone's excited about. Overnight, that little device produces huge amount of raw data. So we built an AI layer that analyzes the entire recording, identifies clinically relevant events, and generates structured sleep report that's ready for specialist review. And it just doesn't stop at the report. It also works alongside patient as an in-app assistant that answers their question, guides through the process, and handles the entire routine support. So clinic staff doesn't have to. So the doctor still reads the report and makes the call. The AI just helps everyone get there faster. Then there's the part most clinical apps forget: follow through. The diagnosis is only useful when the treatment reaches to the patient. So we built an integrated medical store right into the app. Once the specialist approves, patient can order medicines and the devices they need and track all the way to their door without leaving the app. So it's e-commerce and order tracking built for healthcare. The prescription, the purchase, and the delivery all tied back to the same record. Now here's what most people miss. Anyone can buy a wearable, anyone can license an AI model, and these are the parts which are easy bit. Now the real work is secure integration, getting the data, the device, and the AI communicate automatically without the need of middlemen. So the patient just books the visit, sleeps with the device, and gets their result. They never see the three systems working behind it. That invisible end-to-end integration is the actual product, and it's the part we specialize in. Because that's the whole point. The best care already exists. Getting it to the people is an engineering problem. That's where Beacon C steps in. Whether it is a single connected product or a system that runs an entire health organization, that's the kind of work our team does across healthcare. If you're building something in healthcare, book a call with us today. Link is in description and we'll take it from there.